poppin'. Big dog. Big dog, you know what I'm saying? We got big dog. Kids doing in the back, you feel me? Yeah, man, we in here, man.
Looking ratchet right now.
This is our motherfucking businessman, you dig? I got the clippers though.
Don't worry about that.
What they do that?
That pipe boy gonna get you looking nice.
Yeah, straight. With the gas station, you know what I'm saying? This all we fuck with, Chef. Fuck that other shit.
D-Power.
93, nigga.
93. I know you just got that shit cup. Hold on.
Like this. Like this, bro. That's how we rock. Like this, though. That's what I tell these niggas. Okay, I got street credit and my flow concrete hard. If you was popping Viagra, it still wouldn't be hard. For me, I grab the heat and there's nothing to squeeze 3 off and ice a nigga from the arc like I was playing b-ball. You copy, I'm a G, boy. Disrespecting me, boy? Might as well jump out of plane, no parachute and free fall. In other words, it's suicide, so get a clue or die. Fuck your past and who you used to be, boy. Just know who to try. And I mean, if you purposely want your crew to die, test me. That's the perfect opportunity to utilize. A fire beat, I'm obligated to brutalize. You ain't a spitter, just a pretender with too much pride. I proved that I'm the champ, so tell me why Duke a lie, and I'm way too gangster for you and your little crew to try. The look in your eyes, I can tell if it's truth. The lies hating through the grapevine, goodbye, you overdue the fry. A money pursuer, yeah, I be on the Ruger ride. Give you the usual, bust and make your medulla fly. Sipping on this retarded drink and I'm stupid high. Got me a gutter chick and she big booty too.
Man.
Real niggas don't talk on this phone.
What's up? It's like this, nigga. I'm driving a stick. I'm holding with my knee, you heard me? With my knee, you feel me? And I'm eating chicken nuggets. Where they do that at?
Where they do that at?
Yeah, as you can see, I'm going. It ain't no fake shit, you know what I'm saying? We ain't no green screen around here, huh? And he about to make a beat while we on our way to the money.
You already know.
Man, come on, man.
We
You know what it is.
We never stop
You
grinding.
probably don't even think I'm driving. I'm like a passenger. Goddamn, dude, boy, look at that body. Look fine. Like, damn, am I driving? Am I even driving? That is the question. We're gonna get back at y'all on that one, though.
I'm about to make this motherfucking beat, nigga. We got the laptop in this bitch. I can make a beat. You know what
on our
I'm
way to Mississippi.
Yeah.
Sipping on that Henny.
Yeah.
Fuck no, y'all. Pussy niggas fucking with me.
Yeah.
I'm coming with the chopper.
Chopper.
That bitch go rocka. I hit your fucking block and I pop that bitch like Baraka. That fucking police trying to catch a nigga speeding. Man, goddamn, boy, I be driving while I'm eating.
Yeah.
Fuck that.
Yeah.
Niggas, where your bucks at?
Yeah.
Yo niggas broken and Salvation Army toys. Bust back. Bust that. I bust that. That K nigga, I bust that. I'm highly motherfuck that. Without no bus pass, you heard me? Hey, but let me eat my food, I'm hungry. We got Lumbo. We got CJ Butter behind us.
You know what I'm saying? Y'all already know, man. We got a big dog.